Hello and welcome to this detailed overview of the Selec preset counter XC22B V2. Today, we will explore the wiring connections, dip switch settings, and the operation of this versatile counter in both on-delay and interval modes. Terminal connections. Let's begin with the terminal connections, which are crucial for the proper functioning of the XC22B V2. Sensor connections. PNP sensors can be connected to terminal numbers 2 and 3. For NPN sensors, you can use terminal numbers 1 and 2. In our example, a PNP sensor was used, connected to terminals 1, 2, and 3. External reset button. You can connect an external reset button to terminal numbers 4 and 5. Power supply. Line and neutral connections are made on terminal numbers 15 and 16. Relay outputs. For relay 1 connections, use terminal numbers 7, 8, and 9. For relay 2 connections, terminal numbers 10, 11, and 12 are available. Dip switch settings. The XC22B V2 features a total of 8 dip switches, each controlling a specific functionality. Dip switch 1, on delay and interval mode. For on delay mode, keep dip switch 1 in the off position. In this mode, the relay remains off until the set value is reached and then turns on. For interval mode, turn dip switch 1 on. In interval mode, the relay remains on for the set value count and then turns off. Dip switch 2, auto reset and non-auto reset. To enable the auto reset function, turn dip switch 2 on. For non-auto reset, keep it off. Dip switch 3, overrun and non-overrun. To enable the overrun function, turn dip switch 3 on. Dip switches 4, 5, 6, time range. These dip switches select the time range for auto reset, which can be set according to the provided chart. Dip switch 7, memory retention. If you wish to store the set value in case of a power interruption, turn dip switch 7 on. If you want the value to reset to 0, keep it off. Dip switch 8, speed selection. For fast speed applications, keep dip switch 8 in the off direction. For slow speed applications, turn it on. Operation of on delay and interval mode. Let's see how the XC22B V2 operates in on delay and interval modes. On delay mode. Selection, keep dip switch 1 in the off position. Set value. For example, we've set the value to 10, which can be adjusted using the up and down buttons. Reset. Pressing the RST key will reset the display to 0. Operation. After the sensor counts 10 times, the LED will glow, indicating that the relay has turned on. In this mode, the relay remains off until the set value is reached and then turns on. Interval mode. Selection. To use interval mode, turn dip switch 1 on. All other dip switches can be adjusted as per your application. Set value. The set value is already 10. Reset and relay on. Pressing the RST key will reset the display to 0, and the relay indication will turn on. Operation. The LED will remain on until the display reaches a value of 10. After 10 counts, the relay's LED will automatically turn off. In this mode, the relay remains on for the set value count and then turns off. This concludes our comprehensive overview of the Selec preset counter XC22B V2's terminal connections, dip switch settings, and the operation of its on-delay and interval modes. We hope this information helps you understand and utilize this counter for your applications. Thank you.